Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the REACH road program. Now, the government announced that this program will be completed by the end of June 2025. Now, the REACH program is one of two major road programs that the government currently has on the way. This is actually the smaller of the two. The REACH program is where the government is spending $5 billion to patch the roads in Jamaica. The second road project is a Spark program where the government is spending $45 billion to repair 2,000 roads in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with the REACH program. Work under the government's relief, emergency assistance and community health REACH program is expected to be completed by the end of June 2025. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for works, Honorable Robert Morgan, provided an update on the program. REACH was initiated to repair widespread road damage caused during the passage of Hurricane Beryl and subsequent weather events. An initial $3 billion was allocated to repair community roads with members of parliament able to select the roads that were of major concern to constituents. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness announced the provision of an additional $2 billion for road patching, which brought the total allocation to $5 billion. Minister Morgan informed that the road patching segment of the program is 80% to 90% complete, while the constituency-based program is at 72% completion, with both segments expected to conclude by the end of this month. Minister Morgan said that every constituency in the country has benefited from REACH. The impact of the REACH program cannot be questioned. Out of the $3 billion, each MP had the opportunity to recommend $20 million worth of patching in their constituency, he pointed out. All right, guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.